Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda PCX150 motor scooter. This beautiful scooter just arrived equipped with ABS brakes, a top case, automatic transmission, only 361 miles. Beautiful metallic red, 2-passenger scooter with automatic. Come on by and make your motor scooter dreams come true. This gorgeous PCX 150. Only $34.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.